Hey guys, it's Ebony, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this mermaid inspired look using our Be a Mermaid and Make Waves palette. So if you want to find out how I got this look, keep on watching. Okay, so I already did one eye, so I'm just going to hop into the next eye, and we're going to get a little old school here. I'm going to take a little tape. We're just going to place this tape here. That way we can get a really crisp line like we have going on here. So I'm just going to place it. And they're little scales. I like this because I'm putting on my mermaid skin. So I'm going to be starting off with the shade Sure Thing, and I'm going to be using that as a nice transition shade. And my tape clearly isn't feeling it, but I'm feeling it, so whatever. Wow. So if my tape can stay, we can go ahead and get started. And you're just going to put this a little bit above your crease. And don't be afraid to be generous with this because you're going to cover it up anyway, but you just want to make it so that there's a nice even layer on. That way everything can just be like a nice gradient effect. Alright, so now I'm just going to go into my crease and I'm going to take the shade Shipwreck. This is just going to give it a nice transition from the transition shade that we started with. Honestly, I feel like this is one of my favorite palettes that we have because I'm normally somebody who shies away from colors. Like, I'm a neutrals girl all day. But this shade has a nice even blend of everything. Like, you have your shimmery neutrals, but you also have like the pops of color. And these colors look so great against my skin tone. So, you know, they make me not afraid to step outside of the box. And this look is definitely out of my comfort zone, but, you know, we're gonna slay it anyway. Now that that's done, I'm just gonna grab one of our metallic shadows in the shade Amethyst. And you know, if you're a loyal tartelette, you know I've used this in my last vlog. I'm really a big fan of this shade because purple is just so, oh, it's so freaking pretty. My favorite color is green, but purple is definitely a second runner-up for sure. Or first runner-up? Do you have two runner-ups? Well, I guess if there's, you know, bronze, silver, and gold, that's the second one. I don't know. But what I'm doing is just applying this to my outer V and just dragging a little bit of it into my crease. You want to really focus this on the outside. So what's great about this palette is that there's so many great ingredients in it. You know, there's Amazonian clay, which is one of our knockout ingredients, but this also has vanilla extract in it, and yeah, it smells like vanilla. You know, I feel like our eyeshadow palettes really always smell good, but this one smells like vanilla.
I love vanilla, anything vanilla.
But what vanilla extract does is it has antioxidants and anti-aging properties in it because, let's be honest, nobody has time for wrinkly eyelids. Alright, so now that that purple is all out the way, it's about to get real. We're going to go ahead and start our cut crease. And I'm going to be taking the shade Tan Sand in our Shape Tape. You know, the OG. Nothing, no surprise here. And I'm just going to start applying. Oh, I got way too much. And I'm just going to start applying it on my lid. And we're not doing a half cut crease, we're doing a full one. So you want to make sure that you get your whole lid. And it's best, I found it easiest to do this whenever you kind of tilt your head back so you can see like where your crease starts, because you don't want to be like looking straight, because if your eye moves, the concealer is going to stick to the top part and mess up all the beautiful work that you started, and we don't want to do that. So, you know, tilt your head back and just start applying. Now I'm going in with the shade Lagoon, which is such a pretty pigmented teal color, and I'm going to start working that onto the very tail of the cut crease. I love to wear this shade like just by itself. Like, I know a shade is bomb whenever I'm just like, you know what, I'm wearing it by itself, because it's just, it needs no audience, it needs no crowd, it needs nothing, just stand alone by itself. Like, if I was a shadow, I would aspire to be that kind of shadow, like, you know, just stand alone, don't need nobody, you know, just the Lone Ranger by yourself, handling business. Yeah, that's just the Texas coming out. Alright, next up, I'm taking the shade Splash, and I'm just connecting that to the teal color that I just did. This shade is a nice, pretty turquoise color, which is a perfect transition from the teal. So after that turquoise shade, I'm taking the shade Fantastic, and I'm gonna be applying that next. And it's just a nice antique, like bronzy shade. So as you can see, I'm just going from darker to lighter, and it's just giving me a nice little rainbow effect. I was trying to do like a British accent, but I don't know why. But I'm actually going to Paris at the end of the month, and I'm so excited. Like, have any of y'all been to Paris? Because I need all kinds of suggestions of like what to do, what to see, what to eat. If y'all have done anything like more interesting that's like kind of low-key, let me know that too. Okay, so lastly, to complete the cut crease rainbow we have going on, I'm gonna be taking the shade Shell Yeah, and I'm just gonna be applying that at the very beginning. And it's a nice, pretty, buttery gold color that just, I don't even have to say anything. So pretty. And bam, that cut crease is complete. Alright, now I'm just taking our double take eyeliner, and I'm just going in and applying it in my waterline, and I'm not going the whole way, I'm stopping about midway, like right there. It just adds like the dramatics that we need, and I'm extra, I'm dramatic, and I'm proud. So if you're just like me, go ahead and embrace that, girl. Don't be shy. And the best thing about this liner is it's double-sided, so I'm just gonna take the liquid side and do a tight line right on my lid. Next up, we're gonna be doing lashes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and prep my lashes with our Gifted mascara, and you're just gonna put a little light coat. This is my favorite mascara because it really just transforms your lashes, so I'm trying not to get carried away here, but do you see this length? Like, hello. So this style is girl boss because, you know, who doesn't want to be a girl boss? And I'm just gonna apply it using our little lash helper. The more you do this, I swear the better you get, because I used to be so horrible at this. Like, I was that girl gluing my eyes shut, really just having all kinds of crazy things going on. So, you know, I feel like I finally got a handle on the lashes, but I owe a lot of it to the lash helper because it's always just there to save the day when I'm about to do a quick slay, like. So now we're gonna go ahead and jump to the next step, which is gonna be skin. And I don't have anything on right now. My favorite foundation to use as of recent has been our Shape Tape foundation, and I use the shade Deep Neutral, and this is in the matte formula. So, you know, once it dries down a little bit, it's gonna be, you know what, it's just gonna be bomb. Don't ask any questions. You'll see, it's gonna be bomb. Alright, so now that my face is all done and mattified, I'm just going to go back in and start doing details of my eye. First, I'm going to take this shade Shipwreck that we applied in our crease earlier, and I'm just going to be smoking out my lower lash line just a little bit. And then to finish off the eyes, I'm going to be taking the shade Nude Beach, and I'm just going to pop that right in my inner corner. Along with that inner corner, I also like to use this shade as a highlighter. You know, it actually really works. It just works, okay? I have led y'all this far and I will not lead y'all astray. So, boom. I thought we were done, but you know, I can't leave my lips looking all naked. But we have this lippie lingerie that you can just go ahead and slip on top of your lips. And I'm just going to be using like a more neutral pink color. And my favorite, my ride or die shade in our lippie lingeries is Bear. Bear is just the perfect nude / pink. You know, it doesn't take away from anything else, but it still gives you a nice little flush of color. And that's all you need. Straight like that. So that's it, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this little fun mermaid look video. I love doing looks that are bold and just graphic and edgy. So, you know, if you have any suggestions, go ahead and swing them my way and I'll go ahead and make videos for you guys. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe, like, follow, share, all of that. You know the drill. Come on, guys. You're not new here. Unless you are. If you are, hey, I'm Ebony. I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. It ain't nothing to cut that crease up.